the fuck you calling a pussy asshole? Because
I said nothing rude to you.
You just call me a pussy asshole. What you talking about?
That's not rude. But you said to me it's rude.
Tell me if that makes sense what you say. Then when me call you a pussy asshole, you have a problem with that? Go fuck yourself. Your breast.
What up, gang? It's your girl Glam saying y'all already know once I come on the camera, y'all already know it's about to go down. So as you guys know, or as you guys can see in the thumbnail, I am about to be calling my man a pussy ass hoe. Period. And y'all already know he's Jamaican, so y'all already know them Jamaicans do not like those name callings and those type of name callings at that. So if you are part of this, if you are not a part of this family, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button right up there. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and share this video to all your friends and your families, because y'all already know once Taken in the building, y'all already know the video is about to go down. So let's get into this video. Lego. Oh my gosh, I'm so sick of spending money on food. Like it's the same thing all the time. You ready?
Oh, I'm going for this, yeah.
What happened?
Here we go.
What about it?
You put on fresh ring? When people talk to a woman always do this. What is for? What do you flip the ear for?
What happened? Shit, I can't flip my damn wig.
Watch out.
What happened?
Time cold, girl. You have to switch up.
I ain't switching up. How you gonna tell me to switch up and you got on short
Yeah,
suit?
but you got to lotion up those legs.
Who's sitting beside me?
Babe, I got a burning issue.
You always got a damn burning issue.
I know, but I do have one. So this is the problem, right? Do you realize, right? The snacks in the snacks pen is going down, and we don't have enough money to put back snacks in there for next week.
I thought that's what we was going to the store for.
Yeah, but you gotta keep telling the kids they gotta eat. How can I say this? Eat less.
How kids gonna eat less?
Well, not eat 3 snacks a day, or 3 snacks right around the corner.
Okay.
What do you mean, okay? Because
so what's in it for me?
Go to the grocery store, and it's gonna cost us again. And you know, when we buy snacks run over 100 and change, almost 200.
Well, unfortunately, it's 5 kids in the house.
And 5 kids doesn't need to eat 2 snacks per minute.
5 kids, take away each snack.
Again, they're eating 2 snacks too often. That's what I'm saying.
So that's your burning issue?
Gotta talk to them about that, because this 200 can go somewhere else. Like, we just bought grocery when? A couple weeks ago. Not even a couple weeks, last week. As a matter of fact. And the kids were out of school this week. And they were out of school this week, and now we gotta go back and go get grocery again? Snacks again?
That's usually what happens when they
No!
They eat more. They tend to eat more,
but they're not,
than less.
No, because again, we can debate on this. They're not coming out of the house, for 1. 2, they're in the house all day long. We cook breakfast in the morning. So you're not running up and down for you to hungry. When you're in school, there's a difference.
Yeah, but when they're in school, they still take a snack to school.
You're not getting what I'm saying. You're home, you're not doing anything. You're just sitting there on the phone, and you're hungry more than anybody else, and you're not doing no form of activity?
You just being a pussy asshole right now.
Who the fuck you calling a pussy asshole? Because we're talking about snacks and kids and food. Alright, how about you go spend your $200 then, and you don't ask me for none of my money?
Stop being a pussy asshole.
I just said just now, who y'all call a pussy asshole. Again, how about you go spend your own money then, because me I talk to you about something where it's a burning issue on my end, and you call me a pussy asshole because, again, they pick the money about the food? Make that make sense?
It does.
Oh, it does. Oh, tell me.
Because you complaining about food.
I mean, I always complain about food.
So that means that you're a pussy asshole.
Because me I complain about food?
Yes.
So you're a pussy asshole then, because when you go to the grocery store, how about you don't ask me for my money then?
Why would you call me a pussy asshole?
Well, don't ask me for my money then.
Why would you call me a pussy asshole?
Don't ask me for my money then.
That was so rude and disrespectful.
You can't ask me for my money, and me can't talk about my money. And then you want to call me pussy asshole because me attack you about the food.
But why would you call me a pussy asshole?
You just call me one. See the difference?
That was so rude and disrespectful what you
Again, you be elaborate on more things because you just a dwell upon that. How about we try to figure out how the snacks are go done and how it are go stay in the pantry? And that's if you figure out pan. You feel me?
Stop being a pussy asshole and just concentrate on what needs to be concentrated on.
But just concentrate on if we concentrate on. $200 I go spend on snacks and we just buy last week. You know I get the drift?
Food is up. So what?
So what food up?
Food is expensive.
And what that mean?
That mean that food is gonna be need to buy weekly. And we're gonna use your money to buy it.
Food in the talk, you know, it make no sense right now. But
why?
Food is up. So food is up, what that mean? Eating is up too. So then if you eat more than anything else.
It's the same, but
Can't the same
more.
because again, if you're out of school and we cook breakfast in the listen to the story me make you know. If we're out of school and we cook breakfast in the morning, give me one reason for 3-4 snacks I eat Joe out before 5 o'clock. And kids are we wake up 10 o'clock. Breakfast are done about 10:30, 11. Dinner time at 5 o'clock. Where in that same era you're supposed to eat 3-4 snacks.
Oh my gosh, bro, you was always been a pussy asshole, like for real.
You know what make no sense, you know?
How?
You know what make no sense. No sense in that make. That's all I keep on the part. Pussy asshole. Decide. Tell me how
so what you was a pussy
Tell
ass
me
bitch
how
then?
we gonna fix the problem.
I don't know how the problem gonna be fixed.
That me need if you do. Tell me how we gonna fix the problem.
Fix yourself from being a pussy asshole. That's what
there
you
is
do.
a problem. So fix the problem.
I don't have nothing to fix.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. I can't believe you called me a pussy asshole.
We have a problem at
I can't believe
where
it.
we have to figure out
I can't believe it.
how we are go.
You're not supposed to call me that. I'm
Slow
supposed to call you
down.
that.
And these kids eating all these things.
You're not supposed to call me that. I'm supposed to call you that. Don't ever call me a pussy asshole again.
You guys are that sing band straight?
Yes.
Sing band how we gonna fix the food
That
now?
was so rude of you.
Damn! Sing band how
I
we gonna
never
fix
said
the
nothing
food?
rude to you.
You just call me a pussy asshole. What you talking about?
That's not rude. But you saying it to me is rude.
Tell me if that makes sense what you say.
You saying it to me is rude. Why would you call me a pussy asshole?
The way you call me.
Me calling you a pussy asshole
It
is
don't make
not,
no sense what you say. Fooling it you say.
me calling you a pussy asshole
Whatcha?
is not rude. You calling me one is rude.
Make it make sense. Make what you say to me make sense.
Why would you call me that?
Make
Don't
what
call
you
me
said
that.
to me make
Do
sense.
not call me no pussy asshole.
Well, you
Because
just call me though.
supposed- But me calling
Not
you
throw
one,
out where you can't take
me calling you one, that's not rude or being
Not throw out
disrespectful.
where you can't take back. You don't call me a pussy asshole because me talk about food. And how we gonna limit the food. And then when me call you pussy asshole, you have a problem with that? Go fuck yourself. Your breasts. You know the style about you. Fix the problem. This is the problem we have going on right now. How we gonna fix this? And that's the solution you're supposed to come up with. You call me pussy asshole. Fix the solution. Either we gonna limit the food, limit the snacks, or something. That's what we need to do.
Oh, you just said go fuck myself. Okay. You won't be getting it tonight. That's fine. I'm gonna go fuck myself. Okay? And I hope that you enjoy me fucking myself.